Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we've got a sleek and stylish keyboard on our hands, the Macally Ultra Slim USB wired keyboard. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Let's start by taking a look at what the Macally Ultra Slim USB wired keyboard has to offer. This keyboard is designed for both Mac and Windows users and is compatible with a range of devices, including Apple Mac Pro, Mini, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, and Windows laptops or desktop PCs. It connects via USB, making it a hassle-free plug-and-play solution for all your typing needs. Now, let's talk about aesthetics and functionality. The Macally keyboard boasts a full-sized layout with a built-in numeric keypad. Its scissor switch keycaps not only provide a satisfying tactile response but also contribute to its low-profile, sleek design. It's a perfect blend of style and practicality for your workspace, whether you're working in an office or from home. If you're spending long hours typing away, you'll appreciate the quality typing experience this keyboard offers. The scissor key switch keycaps ensure each keystroke is smooth and comfortable, reducing typing fatigue. It's a keyboard designed for those who work smarter, not harder. What sets this keyboard apart are the 16 convenient shortcut keys tailored for Mac users. With one-touch control of various Mac applications, you can increase productivity and efficiency. No more fumbling through menus or using complex key combinations, it's all at your fingertips. Setting up the Macally Ultra Slim USB wired keyboard is a breeze. As long as your computer or laptop has a USB port, you can simply plug it in and start typing. It's a versatile solution, whether you need a replacement for your Apple keyboard, MacBook keyboard, iMac keyboard, or a PC keyboard. It's a true plug-and-play experience. Before we wrap up, it's essential to mention that Macally stands by its products. When you purchase this keyboard, you'll receive a 1-year warranty and lifetime support. That's peace of mind for your investment. So, there you have it, folks, the Macally Ultra Slim USB wired keyboard. Aesthetic, functional, and designed to enhance your typing experience, this keyboard could be the perfect addition to your workspace. If you're a Mac user looking to boost your productivity, this keyboard's one-touch shortcuts might just be a game-changer. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about this keyboard, leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe for more tech reviews and product critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.